popped your hood latch.
How did that happen?
No idea.
And today we are here in Moab, Utah. Starting off the day with what trail?
We're here on a steel bender.
Got the sign right there. We're air down, ready to go.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be a good day. Dude, let's do it.
A little bit hotter in Colorado.
It's a lot, yeah, it's a lot warmer today. Once again, Moab, just such a beautiful area to come out and take your Jeep off-road. I think this trail definitely has some challenging parts to it, but a lot of it is also just beautiful scenery. Riding through these canyons. We're at whatever this is called, the junior wall,
Dude, you gotta keep going.
Oh, we're on it. We're on it.
Drive.
We're on it.
Drive.
We're on it.
Going. Now hard, now first. I'd say we're about halfway up Steel Bender. There's a nice little ledge here. We'll let Joey hop in and crawl up the ledge, and then we're gonna try to get Wilbur's Jeep up.
Nothing has bent any steel yet.
So either we're approaching it or we've already went through some of it.
Yeah, try to go up and then turn.
Yeah, come up towards that tree.
Wonder if it's a better view from this side. Maybe. Either way, everybody will say their Corolla can drive up it. Yeah, right there, good line. Good climb, good climb. Now the LJ's just been purring along. Everything seems super happy with the new tuning changes, with the stall converter, the bead locks. This thing is just working perfectly. Yep, yep.
These donuts are real good.
Dude, stop. How many of you ate?
The bag's empty.
What? We just finished up the Steel Bender loop. We were going to check out the fall, and I noticed that my alternator, I think, is not working. I'm only putting out around 12 volts right now, 12.2. So we decided to hightail it back and see if we can make it back. No telling what's going on. We lost the tachometer too.
Sorry.
We are almost off Steel Bender, and I think the alternator is shot. I mean, we're down to 11.9 volts. Trying to get back. That was a big rock. Trying to get back fairly quick before this thing gets too low.
Doing some testing on the alternator. What we got going on here, Ben?
Well, I'm trying to see if this signal wire, this is what tells the alternator to kick on.
Well,
He's gonna
multimeter.
start it up, and we're gonna see if anything's, we're running our cheapo.
Multimeter.
Can you hold this on the ground there on that bolt? Alright, you can kill it. This isn't putting out any voltage.
To do alternator things.
Day 2 in Moab, today we're doing Metal Masher, so we're gonna try to do Metal Masher swing back, and then Hell's Revenge, do Hell's Gate. This morning, we're just trying to speed up the process a little bit of getting to the trail. Joey and I were bombing it. In order to help speed Wilbur up, he's airing down a little bit lower just to make the ride smoother. Joey's about to get excited. Oh, Tundra party.
JT Brooks automatic tire deflators.
It's super slow.
Start going passenger. Pop your hood latch. No idea. There you go. Yeah, back out of it.
We got denied on that line, so hopefully will have a little more redemption. We're about halfway done with Metal Masher. Doing some cool climbs here. Go into it with a little, are you locked?
Yeah, now.
Yeah, go into it with a little more momentum. Once it climbs, give it some gas. Right. Yep, go. That kind of initial bump, and then once you start making it up the obstacle, finishing it off with a little more throttle, just to keep everything moving. You're gonna need more momentum than that. But you have to roll into it a little, okay? Roll, go. Yep, here you go, buddy.
You guys want to try a hard trail next or what? All right, ladies and gentlemen, I know that looks like nothing on camera, but pretty gnarly.
No problem?
Ain't no problem.
So I'm gonna make up a random trail name and tell Joey that he's about to do it and that it's like a super hard trail. So this is pretty crazy.
Yeah.
This trail's called Hot Sauce.
Okay.
And yeah, let's see if you can do hot sauce.
Let's try it out.
Oh, it's making it. It's doing it. I told Joey this trail name was called Hot Sauce, and it's really hard. So later, tell him that, like, dude, I can't believe you made it up Hot Sauce.
This little obstacle here?
Yeah.
I'm more a ketchup kind of guy myself. So
Yeah.
I like watching somebody else drive your vehicle.
I don't know. I mean, I normally watch Cassie, so I'm always kind of looking at it.
Next up, we have Hell's Revenge. And this time we have Austin, aka Wilbur, in the passenger seat. Are you here for the whole trail?
I'm gonna do the gate, but other than that, Joey's driving the...
Joey's over in the JK. Hell's Gate, maybe Escalator. We'll see.
Already here on the second obstacle. There's a way around it, but that's not fun. Very nice. Very nice. Stay in it, you're good. Nice. Nice. All right, whoa, whoa, whoa. All right. How you feeling after that one, Joey?
Okay.
Very popular trail is Hell's Revenge. We got people all over the place. King of the hill, king of the castle. costs $10 to get in here to run Fins and Things and Hell's Revenge.
Down there.
There's a couple other trails in here as well, so.
I guess that's a negative.
But the day pass will last you a whole week.
Wanted to come watch it.
Little gnarly little climb there. There you go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Easy, 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 easy.
I'm trying.
All right, there you go. All right. Beautiful views out here. I'm sure Ben's gonna say it 39,000 times this video. Absolutely gorgeous.
We're here at the entrance to Hell's Gate. We're gonna drop down, do a little switcheroo. Now we have Joey in the co-pilot seat. Wilbur said he wanted to take his Jeep back from Joey. Joey wasn't allowed to try this, so. Couple gnarly spots going down this hill. You really get to flex out. Then we just start driving down. Here we go up Hell's Gate, and then I want to see the Escalator. I've never attempted it, but I do think it might be worth a shot to see if we can take the LJ up it. It's been doing really good.
Your favorite co-host is back. How you feeling, Ben? You ready?
Yeah, we're ready to go.
All right.
Woo.
Pretty gnarly little climb out of here. Good tire placement, you'll be fine. Gotta keep a little bit of momentum going up though, because if you slip in, that's when it goes downhill quick. Right there. A little nervous, not gonna lie to you folks, but we'll see how it goes.
Hop a little, yep, keep it going. Keep going. See if you can come up more. If not, you have to back down a little bit to try to regain some traction.
Should we pull line? I feel really off camera right now.
So you feel off camber, but you're not, and there's a wall, so like there's nowhere you could go. Just kind of keep it straight, maybe a little bit driver just to get it to hook, but then come back over passenger. But you are gonna have to kind of give it a little bit. Work it. Now slowly start going, yep. Straighten out. Yep, ride that wall, gas. Yep, straight, straight, keep it straight. Come on, gas, gas, gas. There you go, now keep the throttle, you are out of it. See? Aren't you glad we didn't pull cable?
Yeah. All right guys, we're back. Got a little bumper buster here. Fun little one here, some water to start. Got a little Mickey's hot tub action for the LJ. A little bit of water in there right now. Driver, 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 driver! Woo!
Joe somehow convinced me to let him try it on the hot tub. So you kind of roll into it from there. A little more, yeah, it's a little more commit, you'll see. Nope. So you gotta do that, it's that a little more sooner and then maybe more, but go ahead and back down. A little more on it right off the bat.
All right. Good luck, Joey.
Just go, go. Yep, there you go. Yeah, buddy.
Lord help me, I got a race car.
You got it.
All right, we're here on Escalator. Men's coming up. Come driver a little bit. Right there. There you go, stay in it, come driver, some touch. You're out of it. A little bit of a drop on your passenger side.
So there's an army of about 50 side-by-sides rolling through. We just did a trail here I've never heard of before. I think it was called Staircase. I think it was a place called Staircase, and it's a climb just like kind of like Escalator, and it was pretty good.
It's kind of gnarly.
Well, we didn't get it on film. We just went for it. So
I stuck my arm out.
we just went for it and made it. But that was a good one. I liked it. We're debating on taking his Jeep up there, but it definitely seemed a little bit harder than Hell's Gate. Whatever Staircase is, I don't know, but I like that one. That was fun. And just like that, after waiting in line for what?
4,000
literally probably 55 to 85 side-by-sides. It's a big spread, I know. We finally are leaving Hell's Revenge.
Took about what?
Everything conquered. Pretty cool day.
My experience today, pretty good. Pretty good. Ben's a hell of a driver. We got the.
What are you saying?
Ben's a hell of a driver. Got to ride up with some stuff. Spotted him up the escalator. It was harder for me to get up there than it was for him to drive. Joey's been driving my Jeep.
Oh yeah, Joey did great.
Joey did great. Unfortunately, I had to tell him not to do any crazy. Other than that, yeah, we had a great time out here. So
Brakes are good. Oh god,
Joey's brakes aren't as good.
Joey's about to hit me.
Got him. Some stuff we couldn't do. We got to upgrade. Got to do some upgrades to the old JK. We'll get it done. Good co-pilots, even though they weren't really co-pilot. Was the Skittles.
We got about a 15-minute ride back to the campsite. We're probably
That's
gonna.
it for the day, and then we're gonna do some night wheeling later. I don't know about the night wheeling.
Yeah, no, I don't think so. But tomorrow we got a fun day, another plan. So.
We got day passes for 7 days.
7 days, 7 nights. Beautiful day in Moab. Let's see, Metal Masher and Hell's Revenge in one day. Not bad. We could definitely eat dinner and do maybe one more. Austin has a football game that he wants to watch.
It's Notre Dame and Texas A&M.
Yeah.
You can't not watch it.
So me and Joey might run out and do some trails.
Thanks for watching, guys. Like always, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for next week's video with some more Moab trails.